Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am fine too.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. What about you?
I slept late, but woke up early.
Oh, that sounds tiring.
A little, but I'm okay.
Are you going to work now?
Yes, I am. And you?
I have a class today.
Nice. What class is it?
It's an English speaking class.
That's great. English helps a lot.
Yes, I want to improve my speaking.
Practice makes everything better.
I agree. Will you practice with me?
Sure, anytime.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Let's start now.
Okay. What should we talk about?
Let's talk about daily life.
Good idea.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up at 6:30. You?
I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Did you have breakfast?
Yes, I had some bread and tea.
Nice. I had idly and coffee.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, it was fresh.
Do you often eat breakfast at home?
Yes, every day.
That's healthy.
What about you?
Sometimes at home, sometimes outside.
Do you like eating outside?
Sometimes, but not too much.
Same here.
What are your plans for today?
I have class and some work.
Busy day.
A little. And you?
I have meetings at the office.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I enjoy it.
That's good.
Do you enjoy studying English?
Yes, a lot.
What is difficult for you?
Speaking fast is difficult.
Don't worry, slow is fine.
Thank you.
What else is difficult?
Sometimes pronunciation.
That improves with practice.
I hope so.
Are you watching English videos?
Yes, every day.
That's great.
Do you watch any?
Yes, sometimes.
Which channel do you like?
I like learning channels and movies.
Same here.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy and action.
Nice choices.
What about you?
I like adventure movies.
Oh, interesting.
What is your hobby?
I like reading books.
That's great.
What about your hobby?
I like traveling.
Wonderful.
Do you travel often?
Not really, only sometimes.
Where would you like to travel?
I want to visit Goa.
Go is beautiful.
Have you been there?
Yes, twice.
Lucky you.
You will go soon.
I hope so.
Do you like beaches?
Yes, very much.
Me too.
What is your favorite food?
I love biryani.
Same.
Great taste.
What else do you like eating?
Dosa, pasta, noodles.
Nice.
What about you?
I like chapati and curry.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes.
That's good.
Do you cook?
A little.
What can you cook?
Omelette and rice.
Simple and useful.
Yes.
Do you like tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
I like both.
When do you drink coffee?
Usually in the morning.
Same here.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I walk daily.
That's healthy.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes yoga.
Yoga is excellent.
Yes, it relaxes me.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, every evening.
What kind of music?
Soft and slow songs.
Nice choice.
What about you?
I like pop songs.
Cool.
Do you read English books?
Only simple ones.
That's the best way to learn.
Thank you.
Do you write in English?
Not much.
Try writing daily.
Okay, I will try.
Do you use a dictionary?
Yes, online.
Good choice.
Do you speak English at home?
Not really, only outside.
Same here?
But we can practice together.
That would be great.
Let's fix a time daily.
Sure.
Maybe 7 p.m.?
Perfect.
What time is your class today?
At 10 a.m.
Will you take notes?
Yes, of course.
Good habit.
Thank you.
Do you like your teacher?
Yes, very kind.
That's good to hear.
Are you busy after work?
Not really.
Can we talk then?
Yes, sure.
Great.
Do you use social media?
Yes, mainly Instagram.
Same here.
Do you post pictures?
Sometimes.
I mostly post stories.
Nice.
Do you watch reels?
Yes, they are fun.
True.
What motivates you?
Learning new things.
That's smart.
What motivates you?
Meeting new people.
Interesting.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet.
Let's go for a walk.
Sure, that sounds nice.
Great.
You speak clearly.
Thank you.
I want to speak like that.
You will, just practice.
I will try my best.
I'm happy to help you.
Thank you so much.
Anytime.
Okay, I should go now.
Yes, your class will start.
See you later.
See you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Bye.